Hey everybody, Mark here. Step 7, final thoughts and action steps. Congratulations for making it to step 7. So just recap the action steps that you need to do to get to this point. We chose the right networks. So you went and figured out which social networks were good for your niche or in your business. You had the 4 ingredients of social media success using your graphic hubs. So the first one was font pairing. Also, then you had the colors and chose what colors you wanted to portray in your business. And then you made it easy and quick logo design. You might have had one already, or you went and made it yourself, or you went to a place like Fiverr.com and got one done. And then you put it all together. So we laid it out in Canva.com. And then a little bit of tricks and tips using the templates and how to save it. Best format to save it in. And then we're going to do your action steps, which are here now. The assignment at the end of this course. All right, so you got to set up your graphics hub. So upload your finished graphic images on your site, your header, and on all social networks you chose. Get that done. And if you choose to sell this, you could sell it as a service to other people on like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, or your own website. All right, so how to create branded images for your hub site and social media. Congratulations again. 7 easy steps. I'll try to leave a PDF of this down below to download, as some people like to print out and work off of that, or just look through the whole thing in one sort of visual step for yourself. And any questions, feel free to let me know, or any feedback you want, and hope to see you in a future course.